Starting St. Louis Tables was not something that I planned. I left my job in finance and worked with a couple of guys just doing general contracting work. I really liked that. I liked literally being dirty and again, being on my feet and working with my hands. About 5 years ago, Gabby, my wife, said, hey, why don't you build tables? And that was literally the genesis of the business. Ever since we did start St. Louis Tables, it's been very fruitful, a lot of hard work, but we enjoy making things, handcrafting things out of solid wood and delivering a premium product to our customers that they can enjoy in their homes. We can customize the table really down to a very fine detail. St. Louis Tables allows customers to really get their hands involved and to have us craft the table that is exactly what they want. Not kind of what they want, but really exactly what they want. This is an investment, whether you purchase a table from us or from somebody else, and you can get the exact table that you want, the way that you want it, and you do not have to compromise. We've all had experiences with tables that were great in the beginning, and then they just show their age somewhat prematurely. That's not going to be the case with the tables here. It's neat because you have a centerpiece for your home. This is where you share meals. This is where you gather with friends and family. We really like to be a part of that.